Hello everyone, how are you? To all of you, I hope everyone fit and fine. Today once again to press stick on social media. I hope everyone get ready to press stick on social media because without practicing we can't do anything. Because your practicing will help you in speaking English. That's why we have to learn we have to learn English. You will have to practice daily. Then you will be able to improve your English. And that's why I always try to practice on social media daily because I want to improve my English fluently and confidently. That's why I always try to practice in English on social media. Whenever I get time, always try to practice on social media because practicing is very important things. Who because without practicing you will not speak confidently because practice will help us in learning English long time. That's why I will try to practice in English. I want you to practice daily in English, then to, to talk in English. Your practicing will help you in learning English, in speaking English, in your speaking English. That's why we have to try to practicing daily in English on social media because I know no one is here to come us and guide us in English because whatever you do yourself. That's why you don't care at others. People will say me if I make a mistake, what will happen? Everyone laugh at me while speaking where somewhere I make mistake. You don't care. Only you try to speak in English because if you care on your mistake, you will not able to become fluent English speaker because everyone make mistake while speaking. Everyone knows. So you also try to start speaking English. You don't care, make mistake here and there. If you speak regularly in English, your English improve day by day. So you will improve your English, and you will realize where I make mistake. Then try to good mistake. That's why you don't care. You will try to speak in English because if you go to out of country, out of India, will have to face problem much by going to any other country. That's why if you have some knowledge about English, you will not face problem anywhere, any country. That's why I tell you again and again, you will have to learn English because next time you will have to talk in English. Everyone start learning in English because that time English English will be spoken next time. That's why you start practicing from today. Then you will improve your English few months. It will take. I don't know. I don't know how your mind work in English. Okay, if you want to improve your English, totally depend on your mind, on your face, on your mind, how to work your mind. If your mind is very creative, uh, you will become fluent English speaker few days. If your mind works slowly, you will take much time to learn English. So totally depend on your mind. You don't uh, so you don't nervous. You don't nervous while speaking English. Don't worry. You make mistake while speaking. You don't care because everyone make mistake while speaking. No one catch it. Right? No one catch mistake them. You are new people. If you make mistake while speaking, everyone try to catch your mistake. Because you are beginner speaker. Okay, that's why you don't care. Oh, who will laugh at me, who will make fun me, who will make fun of me. So only everyone how to make mistake. People will say me, people will laugh at me, people will make fun of me. Don't care. because when you succeed in your English, everyone come to you and ask you, please tell me how to improve English. No, so beginning you will have to struggle in English beginning, because no one gets success without struggle in his life. That's why I tell you again and again, you will have to achieve something in your future. You will have to hard work. You will have to put 100% your effort. Then you will succeed any your plan. Work. If you fear to do any other work, you will not able to do anything in your future. That's why you don't care. Stop thinking. Stop overthinking. Start do your start do your job.